Hi, I'm Katerina Ponterero with National Underwriter Property and Casualty. Here are the top stories on PC360.com for the week of July 9th to July 13th. A scathing investigative report by Freese, Borkin, and Sullivan regarding the handling of child sex abuse at Penn State by Jerry Sandusky bashes the university's leaders for, quote, total disregard for the safety and welfare of Sandusky's child victims by the most senior leaders at Penn State, end quote. The findings conclude that, quote, in order to avoid the consequences of bad publicity, the most powerful leaders at Penn State, including then head football coach Joe Paterno, repeatedly concealed critical facts relating to Sandusky's child abuse from the authorities, end quote. According to National Underwriters Diana Rates, the report will make it hard for Penn State to get insurance coverage, and the university is likely to settle with the victims. Natural catastrophe losses were relatively moderate for the first 6 months of 2012, according to a report from Munich Re. The German-based reinsurer said overall global insurance losses at the end of June stood at $12 billion, compared to $82 billion for the same period in 2011. While there were 450 natural disasters in 2012, compared to 395 in 2011, there were no major catastrophes. The U.S. accounted for the bulk of insured losses for the first half of this year, with 85% of insured worldwide losses, according to Munich Re. Progressive is opening its Snapshot usage-based insurance program to anyone who wants to track how well they drive. Based on 30 days of driving data, people can earn a prospective discount on their insurance premiums, which Progressive would then apply if the user decides to become a customer. Historically, roughly 70% of people who sign up for the program end up earning a discount. The Snapshot device, which plugs into a port in cars built after 1996, tracks behavior like miles driven, braking patterns, and even what time of day a car is used. President Obama signed legislation that reauthorizes the NFIP until September 30, 2017. The signing marks the first time since that a new NFIP reauthorization has gone into effect and ends a political impasse that began in 2007. Key highlights include allowing FEMA to raise rates a maximum of 20% annually as compared to 10% annually under the current program. A 3-year battle over when a public adjuster can contact a homeowner after events such as a hurricane, tornado, or sinkhole has ended with the Florida Supreme Court declaring current state law is unconstitutional. Public adjusters are banned from soliciting homeowners for 48 hours after an event. The Florida Office of Insurance Regulation says the decision will have an adverse impact and consequences for Florida's homeowners. AIG is entitled to over $30 million from the government due to overpayment of taxes in 1991, according to a complaint the insurer filed in the United States Court of Federal Claims. The complaint states that AIG overpaid taxes in 1991 and underpaid taxes in 1997, 1998, and 1999. AIG says it is entitled to additional statutory interest of around $30.2 million. You can read these stories and more on PropertyCasualty360.com. Thanks for watching.